Welcome back to CLA's YouTube channel. My name is Rajiv Bedse. In today's video, we are focusing on how to maximize your job search by developing effective strategies and following systematic approaches. Finding your dream job can be a challenging journey, but with the right kind of strategies and systems in place, you can make the job search process less daunting, more efficient, and successful. In today's video, I'll share practical tips and techniques to help you stay organized, focused, and proactive in your job search. If you are ready to take your job search or career progression to the next level, keep watching this video while I guide you through the steps to create and implement a powerful job search strategy. So, let's dive in. You see, when you are looking for your dream job or career progression, you will need a robust system that you can depend on. System? What system? You may say. My job search is just about, applying for jobs on job portals, passing the job interviews, and, getting a job. You might argue. Why do I need a system, you may ask? Let me explain. In the first place, if you were happy with your current job search setup, you would not be watching this video. Second, in the absence of a system, you may be able to land a job, but not the job, your dream job. A proven system will tremendously help you in landing your dream job very, very quickly. And by the way, you better get used to following an efficient system. Why? Because your ability to follow systems and procedures is one of the strongest professional values you will need to demonstrate during your next job interview. So, here is my take on a system. There are 6 aspects of building an efficient job search system. Aspect number 1, the big picture. Will your existing system help you reach your big picture goals? You see, when developing or refining your job search systems, always keep the big picture in mind. Will your strategies and actions help you achieve your long-term career aspirations is the question you need to ask yourself. Whether it's landing a position at your dream company or advancing to a higher role in your field, every step you take should align with these supreme goals, which is the big picture. This ensures that your efforts are not just immediate fixes, but are contributing to your ultimate professional success. And how do you do this? Create a vision board or a detailed career plan outlining your big picture goals and refer to it regularly to ensure your job search activities are aligned with these objectives. Aspect number 2 of creating a robust job search system is set your priorities right. Are your priorities consistent with your goals at the moment? As you refine your job search system, it is essential to ensure that your actions are consistent with your personal and professional priorities. Consider whether the job that you are applying for and the networking opportunities you are pursuing align with your skills, interests, and values. There is no point in chasing up something which does not align well with your values. This alignment not only increases your chances of job satisfaction but also ensures that you are working towards roles that truly, really matter to you. And how do you do this? Make a list of top career priorities and regularly assess whether your job search activities are consistent with these priorities, adjusting your strategies as needed. I have seen many job searchers, or rather many job seekers, I would say, not having their values in alignment with the job search. Aspect number 3 of building a robust system, I would say, is monitoring. Do you have tangible means of determining your success? An effective job search system includes clear metrics to measure your progress. Without tangible means of assessing your successes, it's difficult to know whether you are moving closer to your goals. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as the number of applications sent, the interviews secured, and new connections made on LinkedIn. These metrics provide insight into what's working and what needs adjustment or improvement. How do you do this? Use a spreadsheet or job search app to record and track your activities and results, setting specific measurable goals to maintain focus and motivation. Aspect number 4 of building a robust job search system is called application. Does your system have a built-in focus toward action? Your job search system should be action-oriented, encouraging you to take concrete steps regularly. Passive approaches like waiting for the job alerts are less effective than proactive ones, such as reaching out to the industry contacts, the professionals, or tailoring your resumes for specific roles. You see, ensure your plan includes daily or weekly actions that move you closer to your employment or your job search goals. How do you do this? Create a daily or weekly checklist of your job search tasks, such as applying for jobs or networking and skill development, to keep you consistently moving forward. Aspect number 5 of building a robust job search system is called organization. Does your system make better use of your time than what you are doing right now? It is good to be persistent, but it is not good to be persistent in the wrong direction. Efficiency is key in successful job search. A well-organized system can help you make better use of your time, ensuring that your efforts are focused and productive. You see, from using job search apps to maintaining a clear and updated resume folder, being organized can significantly reduce the stress and time spent on your job hunt or your job search. How do you do this? Implement tools like task management apps or job search planners to organize your daily activities, ensuring that you are spending your time effectively and on tasks that yield the highest returns. And last but not the least, in fact, it is one of the most important aspects of building a robust job search system, is called consistency. Can you and will you repeat on a regular basis until you land your dream job, the system that you are using at the moment? You see, consistency is crucial in job search. A regular, sustained effort increases your visibility and keeps you at the top of mind for potential employers. A random approach is less likely to yield results than a consistent, disciplined one. Ensure that your job search system includes routines and habits that you can maintain over time. Keeping momentum through self-motivation is a key aspect of maintaining consistency. How do you do this? Develop a job search schedule that you follow daily or weekly and commit to it. Treating your job search with the same seriousness and regularity as you would a job itself. So, if you already have an efficient system that is working well for you, do not change it. However, if you believe you are feeling beaten up, you feel frustrated or worried about landing your dream job, you will need to get out of this situation very, very quickly. Schedule your initial consultation with me to know how our proven blueprint or our system can help you reach your goals in quick time. I have given the link below in description. Also, as my gift to you, click on the link below to understand why you cannot be a job seeker when you are looking for your dream job. Till then, you take care, and I will see you in the next video very, very soon. Bye for now.